Want to add custom code to your WordPress site using Elementor? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, so you can start integrating custom scripts with ease. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. This website was built using Elementor, and I walk you through the process in this video. If you're thinking of trying it out, there's an affiliate link below. It's the same tool I rely on myself. Start by opening your browser and heading to the back end of your WordPress website, also known as the WordPress admin panel. From the menu panel on the left-hand side, click on Elementor and then select Custom Code from the submenu. This will take you to the Custom Code page, where you'll see a button labeled Add New Custom Code right in the center. Click on it to proceed. On the next page, you'll need to give your new custom code a title. For this example, I named it Google Tag. Once you've added the title, look to the right side of the page and click the Publish button. Meanwhile, the code editor can write the code automatically with the help of AI. No need to write it manually. You can change the location of your code. For instance, place it in the head section of your website. There's also a priority setting. By default, it's set to 1, but you can adjust it according to your needs. On the right-hand side, under the Publish tab, you'll see a section labeled Conditions. By default, it's set to No Instances. To change this, click on Edit Condition. You'll then be given an Include option. In the next field, type Entire Site, so your code applies across your whole website. Once you've added the condition, the Publish button will change to Update. Click on it, and just like that, your custom code is live. To view or manage your custom codes later, simply go back to the Elementor tab in the menu panel and click on Custom Code. Here, you'll find a list of all the custom codes you've created. In this example, you'll see the one called Google Tag. That's it. You're all set. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.